Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to transfer photos with the Nikon D3300 camera. This will be a full tutorial, but it will also be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So if you want to transfer your photos from your camera onto your computer, it's actually really easy to do. So this right here is the Nikon D3300 camera. It's a DSLR camera, and let's say you take amazing photos on this camera and you want to transfer them to your computer. Really easy thing to do. A lot of people will tell you that you should, get the USB cable and plug it in and attach it to the computer. And honestly, that's fine and dandy, but if you just want to take the photos off the camera, that's probably the hardest way to do it. There is a much easier way to do it nowadays. If we were talking about 10 years ago, 15 years ago, that would be the way to go. But nowadays, every computer, for the most part, comes with a memory card reader. Every laptop, every computer comes with a memory card reader. And if it doesn't come with it, you can buy them for so cheap, an external one. And they work so much better. They're so much more reliable than connecting the camera to the computer, because you don't need a driver or anything like that. You just need the memory card reader. You don't need a driver for the camera or anything like that. So what you want to do to transfer the files to your computer is you want to take out the SD card. So there's an SD card slot right here. You want to open it up. My mouth is super dry. I'm sorry. I'm going to have some water after this video. I promise. So you open it up and there's the SD card slot. Okay. So essentially you're going to push it in like this. Okay. And when you release it, so I'll just show you what I did again. Essentially you're going to push it in like that and release it. Once I release it, it went from being, oh, I'm getting a forearm cramp. We're good. It's okay. Hold on. Let me put my sleeve down. There we go. My forearms are a little bit too big for the sleeve. They were pushing out on the sleeve because I have these absolutely jacked forearms. So it was getting a little bit of pain there. Anyways, I'll try that again. This is how the SD card is normally. You want to push it down and release it, and it pops out of place. Then you can take it out and take this SD card, plug it into the card reader on your computer, or the external one that you got, and then you could just take the files off of here by copying them off of here and pasting them into a folder on your computer. When you're done, you take the SD card, you put it back in the camera, and you're ready to take pictures once again. It's literally that simple. And just so you know, when you take it out, when you put it back in the camera, you're going to see this light over here. Watch this. When I put it back in, that light illuminates, and that allows me to know that it's in there properly. So when you remove it, there's no light. But when you pop it back in place, as you can see, there's the light. When I remove it, no light. When I put it back in place like this, the light illuminates right there. And that's it. So literally, remove the SD card, put it in your card reader on your computer, transfer the files off of the SD card, paste them in your computer. So copy them from the SD card, paste them into your computer in your desired folder, and then put the SD card back in the camera. That's it. It's honestly the easiest way. You don't need any USB cables. You don't need any drivers or anything like that. You just need a card reader, which most likely your laptop or your computer is equipped with anyways. And if not, they're super cheap. Honestly, they're probably cheaper. A decent card reader is probably cheaper than a decent USB cable at this point. And they're worth it because you can use them for so many other things too, anything that has an SD card. That is truly it. That is how to transfer photos with this camera right here, which is the Nikon D3300 DSLR camera. It's an awesome camera. I've showed you how to transfer photos. I've shown you, basically I've told you, not showed you. I've done a little bit of showing and a lot of telling. So I've shown you a little bit and told you a lot of how to do it in this full tutorial. And yeah, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.